Hi guys, it's me, Daisha Shakila, and today I'm going to show you how to find legitimate work from home jobs using Indeed.com. Now, I'm not talking about something that I do not know. I have used Indeed.com and I've had at least 3 to 4 jobs in the last 6 years that I have found using Indeed.com. I currently work from home. I was working from home way before the pandemic, and a lot of people ask me, Daisha, how can I find, work from home jobs? And I would just send them to Indeed and they still wouldn't find anything. So I was like, you know what? Let me do a video showing people how they too can use Indeed to find work from home jobs. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to Indeed.com. Now, once you get to Indeed.com, there is a tab that says what. I like to type remote. I will also use remote work from home. Both of those work. You can also just type in work from home. I choose remote work from home, and that's when it gives you your results. So as I'm looking at this, the first thing that pops up is earn while teaching at home. I'm not into that, but I can say I would not choose this to apply for because of the amount of days that it was posted ago. So if I see any job that's 30 plus days ago, do not apply for those positions. Those are usually like the company can pay to have their listing pop up first. No, and those are usually like commission-based jobs, things like that. I leave those alone. My rule of thumb is like 20 plus days. Anything after 20 days, I'm not messing with it. Okay, now this one looks good. I see the Durham Early Head Start Family Services Coordinator posted 2 days ago, so it's already meeting my criteria. I like the way it looks. It does have a lot of information. It has how much they pay, what they're looking for, so I'm gonna click on it. Now, because I live in North Carolina, I'm close to Durham, I'm guessing that's why Indeed is suggesting this to me. I'm going to take a look at what they want, what responsibilities. A lot of companies, you can tell if they are legit because they have a lot of like information to read up on, like what they're looking for, what their company is about. So here you'll see what their goal is to implement family and community partnership, what they expect, which is quite a long list, 14 there. And you'll also see responsibilities. You see what type, full-time, part-time, how much they pay, benefits, schedule. Like, this looks good to me, and I know that this is legit. The only thing that's really catching my eye here is that it says temporary due to COVID-19. I don't like that, so I'm gonna click off. Now, the second one is Transcom. I have not heard of Transcom, but it looks legit. And let me tell you why it looks legit is because they have the information there, but I also look at the number of reviews. Those are employee reviews, like other people who have worked for this company. If the reviews are high, then I know that's a company that's known, to hire work from home. That's a good sign. Also, they kind of start off like a normal job listing. Do you love technology? Do you know how companies try to boost it up and make it sound really nice? I like that. Okay, and I can also see that they provide a computer and a headset, so that's good. A lot of companies, they may ask that you have your own computer. Some companies like to send you computers because they don't want you to change the settings, and there's a lot of sensitive information. So the company I work for right now, they have a lot of sensitive information on it. I've also worked for Apple, and they also send you their own computer just so they know that once employment ends, they get all the information back from you and there's no breaches anywhere. So a lot of companies prefer to send you computers for that reason. Also, if you guys notice, some work from home opportunities are not available in all states. So you want to check and make sure that your state is listed. It'll show you, usually they'll tell you somewhere in the job description, like work from home. I know my friend works for Geico, and they only wanted agents from North Carolina, South Carolina. I'm not sure if it's something to do with the laws there, but not all work from home positions can hire for your state, and I'll show you guys an example of that as well. Another way that you know this is a legitimate posting is because the company, they list their socials, they list their company's website, places where you can go and further check on this company. So if you wanted to know a little bit more about the company, and if you watch my interview video, you want to go to that company's website, look at their mission statement, and get a little bit more information. But I can definitely look at this and say this is a legitimate work from home opportunity. Now, today is what, July 30th? So these are work from home opportunities. If you're looking for something, check it out. And no, I'm not sponsored by Indeed or getting paid by Indeed in any way, although I think that I should be, because I think I'm giving really helpful tips and advice here. Indeed, sponsor me. Ding. No. All right, let's take a look at some other ones. Okay, now this is Contact Tracer, TTEC. I'm not sure what a contract tracer is, but I can already tell that I, as a resident of North Carolina, would not qualify for this position because it says you have to be a current resident living in California, CO, Colorado, HI, Hawaii, or New York. If I butchered those, it's been a minute since I've been in geography. Leave me alone. But yeah, so I already know that I wouldn't qualify for this because I don't live in one of those 4 states. So that part. But if you look, they have a lot of reviews. They have 8,816 reviews, which is good. That's what you want to see. You want to see that other people have worked here and they want to talk about it. The more reviews, the better. And usually the more reviews, the easier it is to get hired onto that company. That means that company has a high employment rate. So those reviews will tell you everything. I like to look at the reviews. I'm not even gonna front. I like to see what other people had to say, but do not let that discourage you. Okay, so this company, Conduent, I have worked with them before, so I'm very aware that they are a definite legitimate company. Conduent, they hire for so many different partners that they have. So they hire for Apple, like a lot of people, they work for Apple. You might see them get started with Conduent first. I did that program with them. Tech support is what I did. So I worked for Apple from home, but my employer was Conduent. I did not work directly for Apple, but I did work at Apple, if that makes any sense. Again, they send you a computer. You see here that they have different states that they are looking for because different laws applies to different state, and this looks like some insurance type of employment. They are also hiring a lot of people, and they got an Apple Watch, $500 gift card, so they have bonuses there. This is a big company, as I said, so don't be put off by the fact that they are offering bonuses or rewards. A lot of big employers can afford to do that, but they require a lot of work from you. It's not going to be easy peasy. They show you what shifts they're looking for. I love to see that, at least you know. And also they're in Central Time. So a lot of work from home are not in Eastern Time. I don't know why the East Coast needs to get on board, but companies that I've worked for are specific Pacific Time or Eastern Time that I found. Okay, and I'm getting a lot of dedicated by my location options here. So I'm going to go up to where and type in remote. Now I already have remote work from home, but if you put remote in a second box and then type on, click on find jobs, it's going to really take it down. It's going to limit options and really only show you remote. You can also put work from home here, but remote tends to work for me. Okay, Assurant Independent Agents. This looks like selling insurance. I don't like it. I don't like selling anything. I would say, as a rule of thumb, stay away from jobs that want you to call people's house to sell them some stuff. And I know my country just really came out in that sentence, but seriously, a lot of people, they're going to hang up on you. If you have a job that you're doing sales from, right now is not a good time. The unemployment rate is super high. People are frustrated, and yeah, save yourself the headache, the hassle. I did it one time for QVC and hated it. I quit with the quickness. Also, this position only has 282 views, so I know it's not popular. I know a lot of people have not worked there, and it says from $30 an hour, which also gives me another indication that is commission based. I do not want commission based because you have to sell in order to get a paycheck. I'm trying to help you guys find legitimate, not anything like that, like a real job. I know commissions are real based jobs. If this is for you, then by all means go for it. But I'm just saying, for people who are not looking to be a salesman, a telephone salesman, stay away from jobs that say from anything, because that's not a guarantee. That's not a guarantee that you're going to make that much money. Stay away from sales jobs, and this is an indication that it is. And also it says outbound calling a plus. So yeah, outbound means you call them. So you're calling people's houses, you're going to get hung up on. It's tough. It is tough. Next, I'm going to click on this position with Teleperformance. I love Teleperformance. I've worked with them for years. They usually hire pretty quickly. I want to say when I worked with Teleperformance, it probably took me about 30 days, like the whole onboarding process, application, getting a call back, and they usually hire in groups. So they'll hire a certain amount of people all at the same time. And right now it looks like they really need some people. Also, look at the reviews. You see 24,332 reviews. That means a lot of people have worked there. I know a lot of people that have worked there. So Teleperformance, they are on Facebook as well. It looks like they're hiring, and they're offering $1,000 sign-on bonus, so that's really good. And the pay is $14. Now they do pay really good, but again, jobs that pay really good usually require a lot out of you, and the schedules may not be so flexible. So watch out for that. Just beware. But their benefits look amazing. And you'll see that they provide a Chromebook, you provide the internet. That's another expense of working from home. You have to have your own internet for pretty much all companies. Okay, some of the tips that I want to give you guys is to never pay for a job. If that job is asking you for money, either for a job certificate or for training or any type of money, it's most likely a scam. Never pay money for a job. The jobs that you find online are just like the ones you find in person. Like going to a job, you would not be paying for training. You wouldn't be paying for a job certificate to work at McDonald's. Like, it doesn't work like that. So the same rules apply for work from home jobs. The only difference is that you're at home. Some expenses that you may have to pay for, a background check, but that's about it. They are looking for you to pay for a drug test. I would say no, but a lot of jobs, they take care of all of that. That's part of them doing business, and that's something that they usually take care of. But a background check, okay, but that's about the only thing that I would pay for if I had to, for a work from home job. Anything more than that, run the other way, is probably a scam. Also, watch out if the pay is extremely high, like $50 an hour, $60 an hour. Watch out for those. That's usually an indicator of a scam. Or like we saw earlier, if it says from $30, you know, that's something that says something's off here. Either you're going to have to sell, and that's probably nowhere near what you're going to make, or it's a scam. Two options there. So if the pay is way too high, out of the ordinary, no. Now, the bonuses, sign-on bonus, selling bonus, a lot of companies, they do that. I know Teleperformance, they do that. Conduent, they do that, and they are legitimate companies who just so happen to have bonuses and bonus opportunities based on performance, based on this, based on that. So also, you know it's a scam if it says easy, no experience necessary, no skill required. Run the other way, because a lot of jobs, if it's a legit job, they want you to have some form of experience, some form of skill, something to bring to the table. They're not just out here trying to hire any and everybody. They're not just throwing away money. They want somebody who can contribute to their company. So watch out for jobs that say easy, no skill, no this, like hired in minutes, like things like that. Like, squint your eyes at them. All right, guys, thank you. I hope this video helps you. I hope that you find your way on this at-home journey, and I hope you get hired. And comment below if you have other tips and resources for other people. Comment what you know below. Like, let's help each other out. Let's help each other to grow. And I'll see you guys until the next video. I'm out.